how to remove comments in MS Word document. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily remove the comments on an MS Word document. So let's dive right in. Open up your Word document and first let's start by how to insert a comment in MS Word. So if you want to give a comment to some of the words, sentences, or paragraph, then you just can select it and then right click and you will find new comment option. Just tap on it and then here you can put any comment that you want. So now to delete the comment, you just have to go to the comment and right click on your touchpad or your mouse, and then you'll find the delete comment option. Tap on delete comment and there you go, the comment has been removed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.